Hey crafty cuties, welcome back to Paper Terrace. If you're new, I'm Jessica. I'm really excited to share this with you today. This is a journal kit from Cheaply Chic. Lynette is the one who runs the channel, and I've actually had a few of her kits, but not for a while. And so if you don't know how this works, I am gonna have her channel down below, which will take you to like her website as well, which is where she has these kits available, and she does them every like 4 to 6 weeks. And you're gonna see, we'll open up everything together in this video. We're just gonna do an unboxing and go through everything. She probably has an unboxing on her channel too. I'm pretty sure she does. But I also want to do some journaling with you, so you can look forward to that video coming as well. And today we're just gonna let's just get into it. I started to open this up because I wanted to peek, but this is a fairy collection, and it's called the Blossom Collection. I hope I got that. Yep, Blossom. And so you'll see with this kit, you get a little traveler's notebook journal, and then you get like all of the fun things that you can use. And in the past, she's had like a ton of journal with me videos, like using the items, filling up her journal. And so yeah, I'm hoping that I can play along as well. And this is so cute. And so I believe all of her journals covers will look like this, probably varying slightly. Same with the kits. I'm going to assume that, you know, a few things here and there vary, but if I remember correctly from the past kits that I have had, they're actually pretty close to what you see here. So let's go ahead, and this is so cute. This paper is adorable. This is absolutely like my jam right here. And then you have the little snippet here that says Blossom, so your journal's like already ready for you, filled with like coffee dyed paper, book pages, and it's pretty blank inside so that you can use the items that she sends to create your own pages and whatnot. So I'm probably just going to be doing like creative layouts. I don't think I'll be adding photos to mine because I'm not really doing memory keeping type journaling right now. But that should be super fun because I can already see that there's a ton of fun things in here. So let's just go ahead and go through. I'll definitely at least have one journal with me video using her stuff. So be on the lookout for that. She has everything packaged so cute. And a lot of her stuff is like actually vintage items. She's the best at hunting down vintage items. I know she has a lot like in her collection already. So we'll just start and pick things up as we go. So you get a slide here, which would be really fun to use. I can actually see that there's like, I know on camera you can't see, but I can see that it's like, oh, that's so cool. Actually, I wonder if you can see. Do you see like the sky and the clouds? And then there's like water. So that's really cool. A little wooden button here and some little bulb pins. And then here we have a really fun mushroom kind of artsy playing card. Those are fun to alter, but I love this so much. You get a little seed envelope. I'm gonna keep this on here actually, but you know, you can use this for your journaling as well. A little cute yellow glassine bag with a ton of fun little pieces in here. I can see, I guess I do need to take that off because it kind of holds everything in there tightly, but there's a lot of little pieces. Whoops. Oh, that just went falling. So there's lots of like little butterfly cutouts, and I love that she used like the same paper collection that is used on the cover. There's actually a ton of like little die cuts here that she punched out. Yeah, she definitely did. Which is cool because a lot of what's in here is like handmade pieces, but they're like, you can still put your twist on them. What am I trying to say? Yeah. Oh my gosh, cute. I wonder if she has a mushroom punch. That is so cute. Because there's a ton of little mushrooms in here with the paper collection. I gotta look for one of those. Little mason jars. Adorable. And then you have some mushroom stickers. I actually dropped a mushroom die cut somewhere. It looked like a Tim Holtz one. I'll have to get it in a minute. But some like little tickets and tags. More tickets. Fun little pieces here. Oh, there's a lot of little pieces here. So I see why she had a clip closed, but oh my gosh, look at these little fairy stickers. This is adorable. This is such a cute kit. Okay, and here you get like a little bookmark, a beaded bookmark that you can use. Well, I won't take it out, but it has beads on the end. Love the color theme too. Like, it matches perfectly. That is adorable. You get a bunch of fibers and oh, okay, so you get a bunch of fibers and like ribbons in here. And then she also includes 2 extra little paper clips. So you can make like little, you know, altered paper clips with these probably. Then in here, fun, you get a little charm with a little clip and a little chain. And I love that everything's here for you, but it's not like put together. So again, you can put your own spin on it, but that's a really cute little mushroom charm. And then a little clip. That's a fun way to add your charm together. Then, let's see here. You get one of these little fairy postcards. Notebook, like vintage note paper. Oh, it is actually a postcard as well. Doilies. I'll just go ahead and take everything out as we go. Some really cute little label stickers. Oh, I love this. And she has a little stamp on there. That is such a cute stamp. Guest checks. Manila tags, which are just fun to alter, and you could do so many different things with this kit. Rolodex cards. Flashcards. And then she made this kind of into a bookmark. As you can see, it's already punched for you and the corners are rounded, but of course you can like add more to this as well. And then a time card. These kits are awesome. Ooh, I almost bought some of these on Amazon. I'm wondering if that's where she bought them. But anyways, little window envelopes. And I'm glad now that I can see how cute these are, because this now makes me want to do something with those some month. A little library card, and then again you get your little glassine bag, which you can use in your kit. Another little cut apart like journaling card. You get a little seed packet, a real vintage one. Napkins for like decoupaging or using on a page, and then these are like pages and things that you can use to decorate. So you get some of the scrapbook paper here, and in my experience, anytime you're decorating pages, you really only need a little bit. So like this is such a perfect size for creating a journal. I feel like these are really cute. This little notebook paper, I'm so excited for this. You get little vintage labels, an envelope, a little like a gardening kind of little page there. Book pages, more book pages, and then it looks like you actually get like a book page from the little fairy, I can't, flower fairies, yes. So that's really cute. Oh, such a cute little image. And then you get some vintage wallpaper. I cannot wait to play with this kit. I'm looking for that little mushroom that I dropped, but, well, it was like a little Tim Holtz mushroom. So yeah, I cannot wait to play around. I'm gonna go ahead and film right after this and do some journaling, so you can be certain and you can expect that video, but I knew it would take me a while to go through all of this. So first of all, I'm just so thrilled to be a part of this little kind of collab, I guess you could say, that I'm doing, and I can't wait to show you guys some more journaling in her adorable journal with the journal kit. And she was so sweet, and I have to give you a peek. She sent me some fabric, and I just have to show you how excited I am, you guys. Look how cute this is. Not only is the fabric adorable, it looks like there's like a couple different ones, which I didn't even notice. Oh my gosh. I am so excited. I'm going to be hoarding this, but I'll definitely be using it too. And then look at like the ribbon here has mushrooms too. Oh my gosh. So you guys can be certain to see some fun projects done with this mushroom fabric as well. Oh my gosh. Well, thank you, Lynette. Thank you so, so much for sending this to me and thinking about me. And I will see you guys all very soon with a journal video. And that's it for today. I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.